Hey guys, it's me, Its.Alexaaa. So I'm sorry I have a sick voice because I'm kind of sick right now. But I'm going to be showing you some of my fidgets that I don't really show you guys my fidgets anymore. So I'm going to show you some of my fidgets. And yeah, so let me get this out of the way. So, sorry if I sound weird. It's my voice. Don't know what happened, but okay. So, first of all, last night, well, no, not really. Anyways, yeah, last night I went to my friend's house. We played for a bit, and then we were outside for a long time. So my voice, because I kept yelling in the bouncy house because there was kids were sitting on the edge of the bouncy house, and then it was all stinking. And then I was trying to get up. My friend Paisley was there, and yeah. Disaster. I'm going to be showing you some of my fidgets. Okay. So, if you don't know me, I'm a huge fan of fidgets. So I'm going to show you my dimples. So first of all, I have this fidget spinner dimple. Spins really good. Ouch. Okay. Turn it. So that's that. So we have a fidget spinner dimple, and I'm going to be rating them also. So, got my pen. Don't know where the cap went. Yeah, the cap is lost. Okay. So we're going to rate this. So, sorry about my wall. Okay. So we're gonna rate this little fella. Okay. So I really like how it pops, and I love how it spins. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. So, that's a 10 out of 10, and that's what I rate it. And it's not a perfect box. Really, because I'm looking at the camera while I right. Okay, but you're gonna go to the side. Actually, we're not gonna rate it because that's just gonna be too complicated. Okay, and then next I have this teddy bear dimple. It pops amazing. Just what I don't like about it is that it's kind of wiggly. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love dimples. I used to have the original dimple, but I lost it or I traded it. Yeah, I think I gave it to my friend for a neato spinner dimple. No, a fidget spinner dimple and a simple dimple. That's what I traded her, I think. So that's it. Okay, just ignore the fact that I dropped that. I'm very clumsy, if you don't know me. Okay, and then next we have this other fidget spinner dimple. It pops so good. And then it's kind of too big for my hands. Oh, never mind. It looks so cool when you spin a fidget spinner on camera. But this is that. I really like it. Got it from Paisley. Set that aside. And then my two winter dimples. So here I have Snowflake dimple. very nice. And then I have a snowman dimple. These two were from Five Below. But guess what? This is broken, so I'm not a big fan of the snowman one. See, it comes apart. It legit comes apart. Wait, but the snowflake doesn't come apart, so I love the snowflake better than the snowman. Snowman, it's very annoying to fix when it like breaks. It's very frustrating. Try to fix it. Probably if I give it to my dad, he'll fix it. He fixes everything. Okay. Smash it down. Gotta eat soon, so. But there's that. And then, I'm gonna leave soon. Going somewhere later. Well, I gotta eat first of all. Okay, so here I have this like white fidget spinner. It spins very nice, and I have these marbles that you can move, and they're very, very cool. So I like this a lot. They're little like marbles that can move, and it spins very well. And then I got this blue glittery fidget spinner. I got it in the mystery fidget pack. If you're wondering what happened to those two chess balls, the green one, which I really loved, popped, and the purple one, it had a hole in it, and that popped as well. So I really love this. But the thing that caught my eye, is that this could come out. I actually used to have a fidget spinner that looked like this, and I thought it was normal, but it was really broken. So, but this still works well because you can put this back on. So, love that. And then I have these two I got for Christmas. So, I got this green bike chain for Christmas, and then I got this yellow one. Very nice. And then I love this thing. It's from Five Below also. I remember giving you guys a haul of what I got from Five Below, so I got these two, and then I got this. So that was the haul from Five Below. Oh, it's really dirty. Oh, I love it when you like first pick it up and squish it. It's very, very nice. I love the feeling of this. Like it looks like there's milk inside, but it's really not milk. So that is very, very nice. Okay. And then we have this wacky track, which I don't know where it belongs. My friend gave it to me. And then we have this other wacky track, which Paisley gave to me. This one's from Ava Let Plays. This one's from Paisley. Very nice. And then, let's see here. Oh, so I know you guys haven't seen this fella in a long time. I'm gonna show you that last. But here I got a glow-in-the-dark emoji. I did a haul from what I got from the Dollar Tree, and I just got 3 packs of emojis. So got this glow-in-the-dark bear. Very nice, squishy, cute. I got this pot too. My dad got it from Walmart for us. So I'm not gonna stretch it all the way because some people in my house are still sleeping. Okay, like my dad, and it's like really early, like 8 o'clock probably. I woke up like 6 o'clock, so I stayed in bed like 2 hours. Okay, and then we have this poppet bracelet. If you charge it in the light and then you go in the dark, it will glow. I did that before. It's very nice. Beautiful pops. And then we have this other poppet bracelet. Very nice. And then we have this ABC poppet. this. I love the pops on it. And then you guys haven't seen. Oh, I'm gonna show you both of them. You guys haven't seen them ever since last year, I think. So sorry about the background noise. My sister's doing something. Okay, I'm gonna show you the first one. You guys haven't seen it in a long time. It is dirty. I have no idea why. I hope it's like not old, but I love this poppet purse so much. I'm planning to clean it, which I never got a chance. So I'm gonna be cleaning it later. Probably later. So this rainbow poppet purse, which I got for Christmas, I was very, very happy. And then this one, I was really, really happy about. This jumbo poppet. You guys haven't seen it in a very, very long time. Ever since I probably did poppet ASMR, not sure. But I'm telling you, I love this thing. I actually still do take care of it. Just love the pops on this. It's like very fun to play with. Very fun. And yeah. So I get flip it. Very, very nice poppet. Sorry about background noise. My sisters are legit yelling. And yeah. So this poppet I really, really love. Just now it looks very small to me for some reason, but I really love it still because I got it for Christmas. It's very nice. Sometimes I even pretend that this is a dress, even though it's not big enough. My friend Paisley, she got a bigger poppet and was bigger than this, so that's what made me think this like a mini poppet. But I still really love it. I still think it's ginormous because not that much people have this, so I should be grateful, which I am. But yeah, that's it for today. But that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you subscribe to Its.Alexaaa, and yeah. The reason why I changed my name is because I just thought my real name was Alexa, but it's Alexa Rain, and then my last name, Alexa Rain. Alexa Rain is my middle name. I was named after my parents. Okay, because my dad's middle name is Alexander, and that's how they named me Alexa. And then my mom's name is Raina, so that's how I got my middle name, Rain. So, that you're not thinking like this rain. You're not thinking of like this rain. Of that rain. I'm not sure if it's backwards for you guys, but if it is, then here you guys go. If I'm writing backwards for you. I'm trying to write backwards. Okay, so either way for you guys. And then this is how you spell my real Rain. I'm gonna do it backwards, and this is hard doing the E. Well, I don't know about the E. Okay, it looks so bad. So what that is, right? Okay, so that's how you really spell it. Rain, not this rain. But yeah, that's it for today. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you're subscribed, turn on post notifications, subscribe to this channel, Its.Alexaaa. I have a second channel which I don't really post on. It's called Its.Alexaaa Shorts. I'm going to change the name into Its.Alexaaa @Its.Alexaaa Rain Shorts. So make sure you're subscribed to those 2 channels, and yeah, that's it today. Hope you guys enjoyed, and that's @Its.Alexaaa tuning out. Stay safe.